Welcome back everybody to Speak with Monique. So if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. It's been a long time since I've been here and I'm so sorry about that, but I have some really exciting things to tell you about. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. So as you can see, my hair is straight. I straightened it and colored it again because I'm getting ready to do something totally different. And that is, one, turn down that music because it's really loud. But I am going to get sister locks. So I have my tester locks already in, and I have my establishment later on this week. So I'm really excited about that. I think it's gonna be awesome. Let me go ahead and show you what my hair is looking like though. I straightened it 2 weeks ago, so it's not as straight as it was when I started it. I'm gonna be reverting my hair today. But let me just show you all the way around what it's looking like. So there's that. It was a lot longer, like I could put it all the way down here. But I'm really happy with how it looks now because it's so much healthier, even though it's blunt, but I love the bluntness of it, and I think that it'll look really good with my sister locks. So like I said, I've had this for 2 weeks. It's time to let it go. I want to do my hair naturally before I go ahead and lock it up. I'm just so excited about it. But let me show you some of the stuff that I'm going to be using to get my hair to curl back up and be the way that it's supposed to be. So I have this from Main Choice. Ooh, my hair is looking crazy. I'm going to miss my hair being straight and loose in general, I think. But I'm just looking so much forward. I'm looking forward to the carefree and like stress less, well, a lot less stress with doing sister locks. Like, it's just gonna be so great. But I have the Main Choice Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment that I'm gonna use. And then I have this little bottle. It's from Eden Body Works, the Almond Marshmallow Collection. And it's just hydration serum. It looks pretty cool. I only have a little bit left. And you know, once I get sister locks, I'm not gonna need to use any products at all anyways, except for water and shampoo. So might as well use it while I have it. And then I have the Heavenly Halo that I'm gonna put on my hair too. So, you know, I guess I was thinking, you know, might as well just show how my hair reverts on camera. So I'm just gonna start putting the conditioner in. I kind of don't want to, but it's time to be all done with the straight hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on here. It says that you should put this on after shampooing, but like I said, I have a lot of products. I'm not gonna need them anymore, so I'm just gonna do them when I want to do it. And I'm gonna do it now because I feel like my hair can use all this great, you know, hydrating ingredients. And then I'll wash my hair, and then I'll do conditioner again, and then I'll style it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So just gonna put it on my hand. Bye bye straight hair. It's been fun. Maybe I should take off my rings. No, I'm not going to. Okay, here it goes. Okay, that's, I mean, it's done now. No going back. Oh my gosh. So y'all, I have been in school, grad school. Let me tell you why I've been gone so much for so long. I hope this is not too loud, but it's crazy. Grad school is crazy. They're trying to kill me, but in a good way. I mean, I need to know this stuff, but still straight so far. But there you go. I had it turned out again. But I just had so many projects last semester. It's already March. I mean, had so many videos I was gonna do, but going forward, I'm gonna take you all on my sister locks journey, and hopefully y'all will tune in for that. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm not supposed to get these wet or whatever. Or I'm not supposed to put products on my locks. You know what? It's just gonna happen this time. But yeah, so that's why I haven't been posting, because I had projects, I had this paper that I had to do. It came out pretty well though. I didn't get any C's last semester, so that was really awesome. I'm going to school to be a speech therapist at Valdosta State University. So I'm traveling back and forth because I don't live in Valdosta. But it's going well. I mean, this semester is different than last semester. It has its own great stuff and also really difficult stuff too. Let's see, so it's kind of doing a little reverting now. Like, I have one class and I had an exam on Thursday. That exam was so much. It was midterm. I've never had a midterm actually. Like, in all my years, I've never had like a test where you're tested on the whole first half of the semester. So that was nerve-wracking in itself on a whole nother level. But, you know, I finished it. Did I do well? I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, look what we got. We got some curls going. I know this isn't how you usually would revert your hair, but I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to use some products. It's here. Might as well use it. Okay, that's my husband, and he is rapping over there. Background. Yeah, 1 second. Alright, I'm back. So, going through and putting this in still. But yeah, grad school, you know, I'm looking forward to being a speech therapist. If any of y'all are in grad school or thinking about it or whatever, it's pretty intense. I haven't cried about it. I've lost a lot of sleep, yes, but I mean, planning and being really organized and taking things day by day is really smart and a good thing to do. Do I do that? Not really that much. All right, we getting some puffiness. But still pretty straight some other places. I don't really put that much back there though. But yeah, that's just a little update on what's been going on in that part of my life. Oh, okay. So this is what I was gonna do. Well, first just kind of show you how it's looking. I colored it. I did like this deep violet color. I did a whole bottle of that, and then I did half of this magenta, and I got this color, which, I mean, I'm inside. I do have this white light on me, but it's not really showing how vibrant it is. I love it though, and it looks really nice outside. I'll put some pictures of what my hair's been looking like lately and what it looked like before I cut it at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna, let me show you how it's looking. Oh, curls, come back. Yeah. Still straight right there. And it's so much shorter too. Oh. I cut it, and my husband helped me cut it too. He did like the last snip across the back because, you know, I couldn't do it, and I really wanted it to be like blunt so that all of the locks that I put in, they're gonna be nice and even. This one has been, these are already cut like to the length that I wanted it to be. Nice and curly at the end with all that conditioner on them. but it's down there. I wonder if that is the same amount. Let me pick one. This is a little bit longer. Whatever, but okay, let me put some of this on. I hope I'm not rambling too much, y'all. If I am, I'm sorry. I really want to get this video out and not keep it in and on my devices, so for that reason I'm just going to go ahead and throw it up as it is, not really editing it too much. I have 2 tests this week, but I wanted to get back to y'all as soon as possible, and especially before I get my hair locked. I'm just so excited for a new chapter, something different. I never would have thought that I'd be getting a lock, but I looked into it, did some research, and I was like, wow, you know, I really like the look of it. I like the versatility of it, and I like the maintenance of it, because doing my hair, it's fun and all, but right now my life is just so crazy and busy. So one more time, just checking in, seeing how the reversion process is going. It's going pretty well. My front of my hair has always been a lot looser, but since I chopped off a whole bunch, I think my ends are gonna look a lot better. And they felt so good when I straighten my hair, and I think it'll be really great when I detangle it too, because the last couple times that I detangled my hair were a nightmare. It took so much to do, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my hair, and I'm just gonna let it sit for a little while I finish cleaning up. I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'll just show you the final, you know, the final look, I guess. I just want to talk to you guys about what I'm gonna do next, which is get sister locks, and what my hair looked like before locking it up. And I should be posting a video, or I will post a video, telling you about my sister lock establishment process and what it was like. I know it's gonna be great. I've already met with the stylist. Her name is Kristen, and she's based out of Jacksonville. And she seems like I know she's gonna do a great job. She's been doing it for a while, and she was so personable. It was a really nice experience just talking to her, talking about my hair, what I expected, telling me what to expect, and you know, the process. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a long time to do it. My hair, I feel like my hair is pretty thick, so I'll be sitting in that chair for a while. But you know, if you have any ideas, any Netflix movies you want to suggest for me to watch or download, or any podcasts, please send them my way in the comments. Let me know what any suggestions that you have, or what you think about sister locks. Go ahead and comment. I will get back to you guys, and thanks for watching this video. I'm gonna, like I said, add some videos, or add some pictures of what my hair looked like before I cut it, after I cut it, and while it was straight, and then the hairstyle that I ended up, you know, doing right after washing my hair. So thank you for tuning in. Please stick with me. I'm going to add more videos and try to be a lot more consistent, and I'll see you later.